So as you guys can see, I'm just at my desk. I got this cutie right here, and then I got this cutie right here. My little Coda bear, and then my little Rexy Poo. They're so cute. I don't know if you can see. I took Rex on a walk and he's like exhausted. He's just playing around. Anyways, so I'm back in Marietta and I have my boxes of clothes. I've been like, the past few days, I've like condensed a lot of my stuff and got rid of a bunch of things. So I went to Goodwill, no, Savers yesterday, which is a thrift store in Marietta, and I just gave them like a whole entire trunk load of things. So, Rex is so funny. So what we're gonna do, we have this box right here, if you can see, and I'm basically just gonna pack it into my drawer, because, yeah, this is a packing vlog, right? What's that? What's that? And Coda is all the way over there. I don't know if you can see his little tail. So in this box right here is just all of my shorts and stuff. So I'm gonna put my shorts, workout shorts, off in here. It's actually super sad that I'm actually really sad I'm leaving. I'm not sad that I'm like, oh, I don't want to travel anymore. It's more of like, you know, it's good to like, it feels good moving on past this chapter, but it's bittersweet because I've been in Orange County for the past 2 years now. And it's so sad to think that that chapter of my life is over, but I am super excited to move on and see what else the world has to offer me. And I know it's going to be awesome. It's just, I need to get used to the changes, and, you know, I'm a very attached person, so like, I've always been scared of like growing older and like, you know, I remember when I was 10, I remember when I was 10 years old, I was so sad because I didn't want to be 10. I didn't want to be double digits. So like, ever since I was a kid, I hated getting older. And as I'm getting older, I just hate it even more. This is life. You have to learn to move on and new chapters. And I'm super excited for this chapter of my life. It's something that I always dreamt of doing, traveling. I always dreamt of traveling, and now I'm going to be able to do it. So I couldn't be happier. I'm just super nervous because traveling's exhausting too, and being away from my dogs for so long is like really sad. Oh my god, guys, I look so crusty. I've been literally organizing and putting everything away for hours and just watching YouTube videos while doing it. I feel like I have a million tons of pounds of dust in my nose and in my eyes, just because like my mom doesn't like clean my room like thoroughly, and since I don't live here, like it's been like super messy and everything. So the first day I came down, or the second day, I got rid of a bunch of shiz, and then right now I unpacked and went through some more stuff and put stuff in donation, get rid of, and also unpacked a bunch of my stuff. So the only thing left to really do is go back to Orange County and get all of my hangers and hang up all the rest of my clothes. So if you see right here, I have like this huge pile of clothes right now. I'm just waiting to get hangers to put that in my closet. So this is my closet right now. I just have a bunch of stuff hanging. I have some more hangers and yeah, I kind of cleared out the space at the bottom. I need to clean my room. I have stuffed animals over there. And then on this side, I have more storage in the corner, some boxes, a guitar, and my old cleats. And once I get hangers, I'm going to hang this all up, so that will be out of the way. My desk area, I mean my, like, what is it? My drawer, my dresser. It has all my clothes in it. And I just have picture frames on the side right here, as well as some more artwork and stuff on this side. And then I made my ottoman like a cute little chill hangout spot right next to my desk space, which is like really messy, I'm sorry. But my wall kind of fell down a little bit, like a bunch of paintings that were, there's 3 right there, like in the big gaps, but they fell down. But yeah, this is my desk right now. Then over here's my beautiful little bed. And then right here I just have some knickknacks and jewelry and perfumes. Here's my trash can filled with stuff. And then I have my old-fashioned desk where I'm just putting random stuff right now. I'm just honestly so exhausted. I still have some more unpacking to do, and I leave in a few days. So, because when I come back from my trip, I want to be able to just go straight to my bed, lay down and reflect, and not have to worry about my room being completely unorganized and not me. I want to be able to come back to my room after a really long journey and just look around my room and debrief, you know, like exhale and relax. You know, I don't want to come here and be like overwhelmed, like, oh, now I need to get back into like organizing, cleaning, and all this busy work. You know, I want to just have fun, relax, and chill. So okay guys, so I'm in my hometown right now. I'm gonna head over to Orange County. I asked my little brother if he wanted to come with me, and he said no, so that means I'm vlogging today. You know, if people say they don't want to hang out with you, you might as well just hang out with your camera and your subscribers, dude. I'm going to Orange County to get the remainder of my stuff, say bye to a friend, pick up my last check at Trader Joe's, and go to Joann's and Costco. So quite a lot of stuff today, I know. Oh, it's filled. Let's hit the road. Okay guys, so the dealio is I think I'm getting sick. I don't know if that's just the flu shots or what. I mean, like the vaccines I got, but I have like something in my throat, and it's, oh my god, it says literally no U-turns. I'm so dumb. So dumb. Well, I went to Trader Joe's and got my last check. Fun, I know. So now I'm going to the bank and I'm about to go deposit that check. Oh, did somebody honk at me? Oh no. Oops. And then I'm gonna go meet up with my friend Hannah. She was the first friend I ever met in Orange County, and I'm so sad to be saying bye. We're gonna go to Native Foods Cafe in, I don't know where it's at. It's in Orange County, okay? And then, yeah, I'm gonna say farewell to Orange County. See you later. I love you so, so much. I miss Orange County already. It's like one of my favorite places in the world, okay? I mean, I don't know, I haven't traveled throughout the world yet. That's what I'm about to do. Okay, so I'm gonna go to the bank. It's literally so freaking hot. I went out to eat with my friend Hannah. Got my Phil's coffee in here, because Phil's coffee, literally the best place ever. I had it in San Francisco when visiting Tehani, and then like I became obsessed. And then I recently just found out there's some in SoCal, what the heck? And there's one in like Orange County, even better. So yeah, I got my Phil's coffee, the ecstatic, best invention ever. So yeah, I'm gonna go to Costco, fill up gas, and then go to Joann's. Haven't really vlogged much, I'm sorry. I just am a shitty YouTuber. I'm so exhausted, but my room went from being super clean and organized to looking like this now. Like, oh my god. I did not think I had so much shit. Okay guys, so that kind of wraps up my packing, moving, and unpacking vlog, video, whatever you want to call it. It's a weird feeling because I'm super excited for my next chapter, but I just can't believe this chapter of my life is already coming to a close. I literally just couldn't be more excited, and I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog or this moving video. I'm sorry if it was boring. I was kind of bored filming it too. But yeah, I'm just super excited. I felt like this video was important because it's part of my journey. It's a significant part of my journey. It's packing up my life and storing it away temporarily. But man, it's been a crazy adventure. But I'm excited. I hope you guys are for the future of me and this channel. I'm excited to hear about where you guys are going this upcoming year. Are you closing a chapter in your life? Are you beginning a chapter in your life? Are you in the middle of a certain journey in your life? Let me know in the comments below, because I'm really interested in knowing, like, are you in high school, or are you just going to college? Did you just get out of college? Are you about to travel too? Let me know in the comment section below. I love interacting with people, especially people all around the world. That's why I think traveling for me is going to be really insightful, because I love learning about different people and seeing where they come from and how like our paths ended up crossing, you know what I mean? So just leave it in the comment section below, and if you guys like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. There's gonna be lots and lots of travel videos coming up. I just need to get on a plane, okay? Give me some time. I don't leave yet, but thank you guys so much for watching, and have a beautiful day, okay? It's wonderful outside. If it's raining where you live, or snowing, or if it's winter time while you're watching this, just think about it being summer, okay? If you like summer, you know, whatever. Okay, peace out guys. Bye.